Number 5. The 2011 Japan tsunami. This footage was captured on March 11, 2011, the day one of the deadliest natural disasters in modern history struck Japan. A magnitude 9.0 earthquake hit off the coast of Japan's Tohoku region, triggering a massive tsunami that destroyed and over 15,000 people lost their lives, and thousands more went missing. The disaster also triggered a meltdown at the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant, forcing mass evacuations across the region. Even now, footage like this serves as a chilling reminder of how quickly nature can turn deadly, and how powerless we can be when it does. What would you have done in this situation? Let me know in the comments below. Number 4. This footage comes from Reddit user Siam_07, recorded on May 5, 2025, along the Dhaka-Mawa Expressway in Munshiganj district, Bangladesh. Late that night, a driver was making his way down a quiet stretch of highway when something unusual appeared ahead. A roadblock made from branches and foliage spread across the asphalt. From the shadows, a man steps out, brandishing a weapon, then another, and another. Soon, attackers begin emerging from both sides of the road, surrounding the car in a coordinated ambush. According to police, at least 6 men were involved, part of a local robbery gang. The driver slams his car into reverse, trying to escape as the assailants rush forward. You can see them throw objects and strike the vehicle, attempting to break windows. He manages to break free, speeding backward down the road and escaping into the night. Within 24 hours, authorities arrested 5 suspects from the Karanganj and South Karanganj areas. Police also recovered 3 locally made weapons and identified the group as members of an inter-district robbery ring. The clip quickly spread across social media, with many praising the driver's quick thinking, saying his decision to reverse and push through likely saved his life. An ordinary routine drive turned into a nightmare. What would you have done? Let me know in the comments below. Number 3. This clip went viral almost immediately after surfacing online, but to this day, not much is known about it. According to people on social media, the driver had just gone through a breakup. The footage, believed to have been filmed somewhere in China in 2022, shows the man in clear emotional distress. He's heard screaming, "I don't care if I die today. I'll just die right here. Get the hell out of my way." As he yells, the car surges forward, narrowly missing pedestrians, before plowing straight through the entrance of a shopping center. Glass shatters, lights flash, shoppers run for cover, and just like that, the clip cuts out. But the footage paints a haunting picture of someone pushed beyond their limit, turning heartbreak into chaos in a matter of seconds. No official reports or police statements have confirmed where this incident happened or what became of the driver. Let me know if you know anything about this clip. Number 2, July 26, 2025, Singapore. Evening traffic moves steadily along Tanjong Katong Road South, a busy stretch near Mountbatten Road. Dashcam footage captures the moment a sinkhole suddenly opens beneath the road. A man on the side waves frantically, signaling cars to stop, but it's too late. A black car drives over the weakened spot, and within seconds the asphalt collapses like paper. The vehicle plunges nose first into a gaping pit as water bursts from the underground pipe system. It all happens in under 5 seconds. a moment that turns an ordinary commute into a nightmare. Authorities later confirmed the collapse occurred near the One Amber condominium, triggered by a burst water main that eroded the soil beneath. The driver, a woman in her 30s, was miraculously pulled out alive by nearby construction workers. She was conscious when taken to hospital for treatment. Investigators determined the sinkhole formed after a hidden leak caused the ground to wash out, leading to a sudden failure of the road surface. One small leak, one weakness deep underground, and in a blink, the road beneath you can vanish. Miraculously, she survived. Number 1. Early morning, April 22nd, 2021. A seemingly routine day for a cash-in-transit vehicle traveling along the N4 highway outside Pretoria, South Africa. Inside the armored truck sits Leo Prinsloo, a former police sniper with South Africa's elite special task force, and his newly assigned partner, Lloyd Matombeni, only 4 days into the job. Then, without warning, a hail of gunfire. Two vehicles full of armed robbers close in, ramming the truck from both sides. Bullets slam into the windshield, spiderwebbing the glass. But Leo doesn't flinch. What follows looks straight out of an action movie. Only this is real. Prinsloo's training kicks in. The vehicle takes hits, shattered glass, flat tires, twisted steel, but the driver never loses control.
Coming off dash. Coming off dash. They're gonna shoot. They're gonna fucking shoot. Found Robbie. Found Robbie. Found Josh. Ask him where they are.
The armored truck finally grinds to a stop. Prinsloo grabs his rifle, steps out, and prepares to fight. But by then, the attackers have fled. No money stolen, no lives lost. The dashcam footage goes viral, a raw record of composure under fire. Leo Prinsloo becomes a national hero, credited with saving both lives and millions in cash. The incident exposed just how frequent and violent cash-in-transit heists had become across South Africa. But it also showed what discipline and training can do when seconds count. What would you do if bullets were tearing through your windshield? Would you run? Or would you stand your ground? I know one thing. I won't be doing this job anytime soon. Sometimes survival depends on split-second courage and the calmest head in the storm. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out Volume 1 and Volume 2, both packed with even more unbelievable dashcam encounters. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.